So you want to close your first deal fast, right? Not in 6 months, not in a year. I'm talking fast. So let me hit you with a hard truth. Most new agents starve waiting for their first paycheck. Over 75% of all new agents are out of the business within 12 months of receiving their license. Let's face it, real estate school teaches you absolutely nothing about getting your first deal. All they care about is showing you how to not get in trouble with the law. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to score your first real estate deal lightning fast. No fluff, no BS, just a street smart game plan to get you paid. Day one with your shiny new real estate license, you're fired up, maybe a little scared, and that's natural. It's called being human. You see, I remember my first month, I was hungry and clueless. Then a mentor just slapped me with some reality. He said, stop playing office and start talking to people. I was like, oh, okay. That's the best advice I ever got. You see, your first deal isn't gonna just fall from the sky. You gotta go out and get it. Every morning, you gotta leave your tribe. You gotta go hunting. And then you get to come home to feed the tribe. That's your job. Finding deals is your number one job. Not doing paperwork, not running for coffee, not doing lockboxes or signs. Finding deals, that's it. And I'm gonna break this down into a simple roadmap. First, we'll tap into that gold man you already have. It's called your network. Next, I'll give you the fastest prospecting tactics that actually work for newbies. Then we'll hit common pitfalls that often keep rookies broke. So we need to avoid those. By the end, you'll have a step-by-step plan to land that first deal in record time. So let's get into it. Strategy number one, you gotta work your sphere. You see, your network is your net worth. Your friends, your family, your classmates, your plumber, your priest, your Uber driver. See, everyone knows somebody and they should know you because you are the man for the job. You are a great realtor. No secret agents here. Call them, text them, DM them. And here's something simple. Hey, I just got into real estate. Know anyone looking to buy or sell? Simple as that. You see, some people though may ignore you. Some people will tell you that you're wasting your time and try to bring you down. And some people will be rude and even hang up on you. But who cares? You got to keep moving forward. Simply, someone knows someone who needs a strong agent like yourself. And that first referral will be your first commission. Remember, your network equals your net worth. So build it now and build it every single day and communicate with those people often. Strategy number two, one of my favorites, leverage social media and announcements. The more you post, the more exposure you will get. So be loud and be proud. Post everywhere, post every day. Show people that you're in real estate. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn even. I don't care, just get the word out and do it every single day. Share a confident and bold announcement. Hey, I'm officially in real estate. Who can I help? Show some personality, show some style, some swag, dress professionally. Don't look like a bum. Post a photo in front of a sold sign, even if it's another agent's listing. Just stand in front of their picture if you know what I mean. This is what we call social proof. You see, people need to know that you're hustling. Again, be loud and proud about your new career. Remarketing, baby. Strategy number three, hustle open houses like a pro. You don't have any listings, no worries, no problem. Find a busy agent in your office or online and offer to hold open houses for them. Trust me, top producing agents will love to hear from you. Every person walking through that door is a potential client. Smile, be friendly, get their info, and follow up the same day. Hey, thanks for coming. Are you working with an agent? I'd love to help. You see, many new agents land their first buyer from an open house. More importantly, get their first listing from an open house. So this is what I want you to do. You see, every open house gives you an opportunity to go knock on 100 doors the evening before the open house. This allows you to introduce yourself. You simply hand them a professional flyer inviting them to the open house. And this is where you open up a conversation. Ask them how long they've lived in the community. Where did they move from? Ask what they like best about the community. And then ask them this simple question. So when do you plan on moving? You see, there's always someone in a community looking to sell. It's called a job transfer, a divorce, death, etc. They don't need to sell, they have to sell. And because you've shown that you're out there hustling, the home sellers that are motivated to sell are looking for agents who can actually hustle, can easily win any of those listings. It's face-to-face, it's low cost, and at the same time, you're learning how to play the game in real time. Strategy number 4, prospect like your life depends on it. And ultimately it does. Pick up the phone. It's the most valuable tool you have. Pick up the phone. I know that you're saying, cold calling sucks. Yeah, it does, but get over it. You see, it can be boring. It's often full of rejection, but I love making cold calls simply because I know that on any given day, I have an opportunity to get on a listing appointment, to get a contract signed at a price that would cause a home to sell. Here's some great sources: for sale by owners, expired and canceled listings, probate, divorce, out-of-town homeowners, pre-foreclosures. They're all great opportunities. People are waiting for you to call because they need help. I personally called expired listings every single morning at 8 a.m. sharp. Yep, early bird gets the worm. And I found that this source is the best for what we call now money. Call first thing in the morning, book a listing appointment, take a listing that night, relist it the next day at a price that will cause it to sell. And next thing you know it, a buyer's agent shows it, and then boom, all of a sudden you're under contract and off to getting paid in 30 days. No BS. Seriously, I've taken 3 listings in one day from this very source alone. The more you talk to people, the faster you find a deal. Period. So I want you to set a goal: 30-day minimum contacts a day. A contact is an adult who owns a home or is looking to buy a home. Period. Do this first thing every morning, 5 to 6 days a week, and you will be successful. It's all a numbers game. And as salespeople, I have to warn you that we are in the rejection business. The higher amount of rejection, the higher amount of commissions that you'll make. And you're gonna hear no a lot. And that's okay, just brush it off. Every no gets you closer to a yes. And this is true. Skills pays the bills, and phone skills are on top of that list. Any new agent. I strongly recommend that you join a role play group so you know what to say and how to say it. And I recommend that you role play every single day. Practice, practice, practice. Here's strategy number 5. Find a mentor or possibly join a team. It's the quickest hack in real estate. Stick to someone who's killing it. Offer to help a top producing agent with anything like running errands or doing paperwork. In exchange for that, ask for knowledge. And maybe you want to consider joining a team that could feed you leads and train you daily. Yes, you'll have to give up some commission. I'm talking like 50%. I know that sucks, but it's better than nothing at all. You're gonna learn scripts, and you're gonna get in the game fast. But more importantly, you're gonna build confidence under guidance. And years ago, I personally hired a coach when I first started in the business. I also joined a brokerage that fit my values, and that alone made a world of difference. You see, smart agents leverage mentors and coaches because of the learning curve. It's much quicker, and we all know time equals money. Now, I know you're thinking, but Dave, I'm brand new and no one's gonna trust me. Okay, stop. Everyone starts somewhere. You get the trust by earning it through hustle, through market knowledge, and honesty. More importantly, knowing what to say and how to say it. You don't need 10 years of experience to say, well, if I don't know, then I'll find out. Wrong answer. Another thing I hear people say, well, I don't want to bug my friends or family. Bug them. If your cousin or your college buddy buys a house and didn't use you, it's on you, not them. You don't have to be pushy, but definitely let them know that you're open for business, and they'll respect you for that. Here's one thing to avoid. Don't spend your whole first month getting ready, putting together that website or that perfect Facebook page, et cetera, et cetera. It's all a waste of time because you're procrastinating. It's not real work. The real work is talking to people, talking to prospects. Contacts equal contracts. You gotta focus on money-making activities from day one. 80% of your day should be focused on one thing, and that's making money. That's your job. Never do your own paperwork. Hire a transaction coordinator. It's like $300 to $400 per file. I see so many agents wasting their time and energy working on paperwork. Anything that's worth $20 per hour, farm it out. Your time is worth $200 to $300 per hour. Think smart. Imagine 30 days from now. You've got a signed buyer. You've got a listing contract in your hand. It's currently on the market. You're no longer trying to get a deal. You're servicing a client. That first closing check is soon. That money, I can smell it. I can taste it. It's about to be sitting in my bank. More importantly, your confidence is through the roof and you've proved that you can do it. You're building momentum. You're not one of those 80% of agents that just fail in their first year. You're a rising star, all because you took massive action instead of waiting around. That's the difference between an agent who actually thrives and one who actually just quits and goes broke. I want you thriving, and I want you to do this really fast, because by stacking the odds that way, it's all in your favor. Don't do it alone. Join us at the Elite Builders here at eXp Realty. We're a group of mentors and top producers who take new agents under our wing and turn them into deal machines. Daily training, live prospecting sessions, daily coaching, you name it, we've got it. We got the best value stack in the business. And here's the deal. We give millions of dollars worth of coaching away for free. So here's my challenge to you. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description below. Book a call with me. We'll chat to see how we can help you crush it in the first 30 days of you being in the business. You can bet on yourself. Your first deal is waiting. So let's go. Let's grow.